Alright, this is room 12770 on the Norwegian Prima. The couch pulls out. This is one of the mid-level rooms. It's not high-end, it's not an interior. This is a balcony standard. Inside the room you're going to get a couple extra pillows for those other people on the couch if they stay in it. You get storage right here. This doubles as extra, basically like a closet. And this side has hanging storage, a safe, some racks. These are kind of cool. Put like shoes or something in there if you wanted. There is a cooling fridge, but this is not a fridge. It's just keeps things cool, not cold. So you can't really keep medicine in here. And obviously they have a couple things they want you to spend $6.50 for this. Just don't, if you don't want to pay that, just don't use it. Pull it out, use the fridge for everything else. Nice little spot where you can do your makeup. Plenty of plugs.
It looks like it would turn on.
Yeah, I don't know how to turn that on specifically. Oh, it's probably over here.
Yeah.
Boom, look at that. Looking good. Obviously.
Might not pull out, I'm not sure actually.
I think it does because there's extra pillows up in the thing. Normally you would have the bedding for that. This is a king bed. It's pretty soft. Not the softest in the world, but it's also not super firm. There is plugs on both sides of the bed. I like this like recessed lighting. It's kind of cool, like that. Pretty modern. Storage next to the bed, lights, decent TV. I like how there's space to walk. A lot of the cruise ships we've been on, like there's like a little cutout here, and you can't actually get by the bed very easily because they're using it as kind of part of the TV entertainment area. And then this is the porch area or balcony, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I just locked it. Unlock it. You get 2 deck chairs. This is maybe like 4x8. It's like a sheet of plywood. They stay on. It's not huge, but it's enough. And what's nice about if you sail out of New York City, you're right in Manhattan, which is cool. So anyways, a lot of the cruises we've been on recently, these are not comfortable at all. They're just made of like aluminum with no padding. This has nice padding, has a little table. This is in the room from the balcony. Pretty spacious. Like I said, I think this is kind of like mid-trim. This isn't like the most luxurious, but it's also not the most basic. We could have tried to upgrade, but we decided not to because...
But if you watch any of our other videos, we always get a balcony, so it's comparable to anything else that we've shown you from any of the other cruise lines.
That's true. I think the only time we've had a way bigger balcony is when we did somehow get that, like, there was like a jump.
We did a bid up, and we ended up with, like, winning for next to nothing.
Yeah, I think we only paid a couple $100 and they upgraded us to a bigger room that one cruise. And I'm actually most impressed with the shower here. The bathroom space is pretty good size. You know, your towels, your mirror. What's cool is you don't have to do your makeup here either because of that vanity that's out there. And that's where your hair dryer and all that is. There's extra storage underneath this. More storage in here. Plenty of storage to put, like, you know, your toiletry bag that you brought with you. But the shower, pretty good size. We've been on some of these. This is a really weird way of opening. That gives you plenty of room to get in. And even has a spot to hang swim trunks. We actually bring stuff with us normally because these don't normally come in these cruise ships. So we actually bring magnets. Might not have to use it this time. Shower head is large. There's enough room for 2 people in here if you wanted to shower together. Or, you know, just bathe yourself without bumping your elbows on everything. And we've also been in some cruise ships where these are like a wet bath where the shower and everything is just like all one floor, and this is actually a true bathroom. So I like it. So it's basically a quick room tour of this cabin. I think that for the money it's pretty nice. And we are headed to Bermuda for 5 days. So we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.